Okay, boys and girls, today I will give you the intro to synthetic division. It is quicker than long division. It might look like the numbers are coming out of nowhere, but I will explain later why it all works. So we're going to do synthetic division of this 3x squared, 3x to the third, sorry, plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 4, or x plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to do the setup of it over here already, and then go through what everything is. All right, so first things first, we're going to take the opposite of that. So basically we are setting this equal to 0. And solving for x, so we'll get x equals -4. And that is going to go here. Now, in order for this to work, this has to be 1, and this one has to be 1 as well. So if those two terms are not 1, there's other tricks we have to do, but for now, just make sure that the exponent is 1 and the coefficient is 1. So this has to be . Okay, now we're going to write this here . 4 here, -2 here, and our -1 here. Okay, now please follow along. First step, all you do is take the first number and bring it down. Okay, now you take that same number and you put it here after you multiply it by -4. This is times -4. And 3 times -4 is -12. All right. So now we're going to add these two numbers and get a -8. And again, same thing. Before it goes here, you multiply it by -4. And that -4 is, of course, what is here. So now I'm going to get 32. 2 negatives make a positive. And then I'm going to add, going down, this is 30. And again, before I get here, multiply by -4. Okay, and that is going to be -120. And now when I add those together, I am going to get -121. Okay, now I'll show you what each of these numbers mean in terms of your answer. This right here is your remainder. The last digit is your remainder. If it's 0, then that's good. There's no remainder. In this case, we have 1. This last term before the remainder is going to be your constant. In this case, it's going to be our C. This one will be your next term, so this one's going to be our BX. And the last one here is going to be our AX squared. Now, if there were more numbers, you would keep going and get x to the third, x to the fourth, x to the fifth, whatever it is. But you always start with this one is your constant. And then you keep going to the x squared, and so on and so forth. So I would write my answer as 3x squared minus 8x plus 30, then with the remainder of negative 121 over what I divided by, which would be x plus 4. All right, and this would be my answer. All right, so that is synthetic division. Again, I'm not a big fan of it because it looks like magic to me, and I don't like when math looks like magic. But if we understand how to do long division and we understand all the principles and all the concepts, then I'm okay with us doing synthetic division. Tomorrow we're going to continue to practice both ways, and that's what we'll be doing in class tomorrow. Hopefully you guys take some notes on this, and if you would like to try, you can try to do these two problems. There's more space. Try this one using synthetic division. And try this one. Those are your two problems to try at home if you would like. And we will continue to practice tomorrow. See you guys then.